Usually I know exactly how to label a topic I am talking about in a video, but today is a bit more tricky for me. Today's video is about this mask from Molis Corporation, and I think it's a subgenre of Kigurumi because it is like a helmet and the hair, but I'm not exactly sure. I am coming more from the fetish topic here. You know, it's shiny and dronification, dollification, anonymous, it's lockable. You get what I mean? Anyway, I will try it today. I have a black face as well, and it's going to be really awesome because I really love these ponytails. The white version is called the Sacred Disguiser. It's also available in black, and I think this one looks like a porcelain doll somehow. It's really lightweight. And you can interchange the face. I'm going to show you with the black one later, but there's also a doll version available. We have a hinge here to open it, and to close it and keep it closed there are snap locks on both sides, and they are lockable. The ponytails are attached via magnets, and we have these holes here with the magnets at the bottom. So if I take a ponytail and place it inside, ooh. These are pretty strong and it's pretty loud. There are different accessories available, so you can also have the horns, for example, or different mouthpieces if you have the doll face version. The locks are pretty easy going, just opening both of them and then laying the helmet down. And here we are, this is the inside. There are various pieces of padding coming with the mask, and you can customize your inlay, so to say. So I attached the black ones here and one in the front of the face, just to cushion the mask out and to fill the empty space, so the helmet is going to sit snug on your head everywhere. The cushions are attached with these self-adhesive Velcro pads, and they do have a YouTube video online to show you how to do this, but it's a bit of try and error to get the best fit for your own head. I'm going to try this now, but of course I need a matching outfit first. I think I never showed you this catsuit before on here. I did wear it to some festivals 2 years ago already. For example, Amphi Festival, and it's from Artifish. It's PU, and I just love it. I feel like a chameleon, if you know, you know, in front of this wall because it's all white. So of course this was my go-to outfit for the white helmet, and yeah, let's try it. Alright, let's go. Just trying to put this on, basically similar, and then try to put it together. And clicking the locks closed. Here we are. It's actually pretty fast, and if you've done it 1 or 2 times, pretty easy. And you can definitely see a lot because, yeah, you can see through the eyes. So you can see basically straight ahead. You can't see down, you have to move the head to see down. And there's also light coming in from the, where are these? The brows here. Airflow is no problem either. There's a lot of space here, so the air is going to flow in here and also here on top at the hinge, so easy peasy. Of course it gets a bit warm inside because of your breath, but since this is no glass front or something you can see through, there is no fogging up here, which is pretty handy. So you turn around. Of course you can lock the well, I really bloom with the heels, and the limited visual side here is pretty challenging a bit. So I'm going to attach the brakes. So trying to find the hole. Oh, it's pretty easy, and now I'm loop-sided because this is pretty heavy, so I need a second one. Where is it? Ah, there we go, way better. I put away the hair, so my hair
to give you the clean aesthetic. I love about the braids that there are glitter strands in them. It's so cute. And yeah, this is definitely, I'd say this is drone topic here and dollification. So I think it's a very, very clean look. I love that. I love that I paired it with white. And I love the doll look here with the, like I said in the beginning, the porcelain face. So it's actually pretty comfortable because there is a lot of space between my face and the helmet, so I can move and speak easily, and all the padding is really making it very soft from the inside, so make sure to use enough cushioning for very comfy, very comfy feeling. I would definitely say that you can go to a party with that. The difficulty here is that if you walk around at a party and there is, I don't know, a table or a chair you don't really see, and then you can just walk against it, because every time you want to see the floor you have to do this basically. But it's definitely doable, and I would have thought it's more comfortable, but it's totally fine.
This is your ASMR part. Okay, changing the face now. This is also magnetically attached. It's pretty easy, just press from the outside slightly and then the face part is already moving. And it's the same procedure when you want to put the black one on. Before I put it on, I'm just going to clean it real quick. It's always so satisfying to clean these and see all the fingerprints disappear and all the lint and everything. Just so smooth and shiny. I could do this all day. Alright. Just make sure to not drop it. Be careful. Okay. Now I'm just going to put it in the same way, just carefully from the inside. Pressing it down, and there we are. I've changed outfits, and I have to say it's kind of cute to put on this swimsuit on top of a catsuit with the matching shoes. And this is the Molis company lookbook, by the way. I can show you a few pictures. They're from Hong Kong. They have several product lines, from silicone masking to latex fetish to Kigurumi. They also offer sentais and latex. And I think this lookbook is quite cute and gives you an impression of their work and products. Okay, let's do this. I changed the face and I'm going to wear it again. I'm curious if it works with my hair. Where's the lock? Make sure to always open the locks, because one of them was closed. And it was definitely easy to close the helmet if the locks are open. Alright. I'm going to add gloves, and there are also different ponytails for this face, for this color. Really long. And the gloves. Only making sure it's eye level so I see what I'm doing. Alright, this is the complete look, and I think it's very cute. The braids are super cute with the outfit. I love the combination with the shoes. So I could add some mask underneath so you wouldn't see the neck area anymore. I could just pull down my chin. Now I can't really see any skin anymore. I didn't think that I would like this outfit so much. It was very spontaneously put together, actually. I don't know.
Is it cooler than the first one? Tell me in the comments down below. Also tell me which your favorite color is in the mask. I'm excited. I like this. That's so nice. Going to take a few pictures and then I'm going to have dinner. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Oh, and before I forget, I do have a discount code. You can get 10% off. I will link it down below in the description text. And the shipping is a bit higher because the box is really cushioned and stable, so nothing happens to the mask. I can definitely say that nothing was damaged during shipping that way. And yeah, hope you like this one. If you're interested in more cool and unusual outfits, check out my other videos. And I hope you're having a nice day. I will see you in the next video. Bye!